Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a copycat version of a Wendy's Frosty. And so let's go ahead and get right on to the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so what I have to do first is whisk together sweetened condensed milk. We're using the Eagle brand milk and half of a gallon of chocolate milk. We're just using the pre-made True Moo kind, but you can make it yourself. This is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm doing that with 8 cups of chocolate milk. And now I'm just going to fold in 8 ounces of whipped topping. You need a very big bowl for this. And okay, so now that it looks about like that, and the whipped cream's kind of at the top, but spread out on the top, you put it in whatever ice cream maker that you have, and just follow the directions that you usually do. And so I'll pour it in this, and then we'll make the ice cream based off that. Just put in a layer of ice, and then a layer of ice cream sauce, or ice cream salt or rock salt. And then you just keep on doing it. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and scoop it out. And I'll have to taste test it. That's pretty similar, but even better. Yeah, that's really good. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you.